Welcome, dear children. How are you doing? Did you enjoy your time last week? Did you color? Did you finish your homework which I gave you? Well, I hope you have done it, alright? So today I have brought for you another game, alright? Do you remember the creatures? The colorful, creepy creatures that we did last week? The poem? Yes, so today we are going to do some matching, alright? We are going to match the creatures and some of the fruits and vegetables with the same color of the particular creature. Alright? So you ready to do that? Well, I am too. So this is how it's going to be, alright? So what I'm going to do, you're going to identify each color with the vegetables and the fruits, alright? So children, can you tell me which color is this? Yes, it is red, right? So can you tell me which vegetable or fruit is in red here? Is it the carrot? No, it's the tomato, right? Yeah, so we are going to keep this here. Okay? The next one. Children, which color is this? It's green, right? It's green. So can you tell me which vegetable is green here? Is it the onion? Though the leaves are green. It's the cabbage, right? So we're going to keep the cabbage right here. Alright? Next one. Children, which color is this? Correct. It's yellow, right? So can you identify the fruit or the vegetable that is yellow in color? Is it the carrot? It is the mango. So we're going to keep the mango right here. Okay? The next one is perfect. It's orange. Yeah. So which vegetable here is orange? Is it the potato? Correct. It's the carrot. So we're going to keep the carrot right here with the orange. Okay. The last one, children. Can you tell me which color is this? Yeah, it's purple, right? Purple. So children, which vegetable here is purple in color? Is it the onion? Or the potato? It's the brinjal, right? So we are going to keep the brinjal right here. So this is how you're going to do the matching, okay? This will help you to identify different colors. Okay? So children, I hope that you have learned how to identify different colors using different objects. Alright? So now let's hop on into the coloring part. Alright? What I want you to do is, I want you to go and grab your paintbrush, book and your colors. Alright? Can you go and grab them? Perfect. So children, I hope you have bought this book, alright? So what we are going to do is, we are going to open the page 5, alright? And you remember I had given you this for homework? Well, I hope you have done, okay? If you have not done, please do complete it, alright? First of all, we are going to start and write the date, okay? Can you tell me what today's date is? Well, whatever the date is, like I am doing it on 14th, so I am going to write today's date. Whatever day you are going to do it, you are going to write the same date. Alright? So as you can see, children, here there are 3 different kites, okay, with 3 different colors. Here it's pink, brown and red. Okay? So I want you to go and grab those 3 colors. Alright? So I've got these 3 colors. So I will start coloring it, okay? Do you remember, children, how I taught you to color? Well, you will color it slowly and in the same direction. Okay, I will show it to you once again here. You are going to color it in the same direction. All right. Now children, this is how you are going to color. All right, remember you have to color in the same direction. Okay, take your time and color. So this is the last one I'm doing. Take your time and do, children. Please don't color outside the figure. All right, color inside the figure with a light hand. Don't scribble here and there. Just take your time and color. Make sure you color in the same direction. Okay, if you're coloring it like this, then color it the whole thing like this only, up to down. If you're coloring this way, side by side, then color the whole thing side by side. All right, so with this we have finished doing. So what your homework will be for the next page, that is page number 6. All right, you will write the date. All right, and you're going to color it the same way it is shown here. All right, this will be orange, this will be dark blue, green, brown and red, and don't forget to write the date. All right. So children, with this we have finished with our lesson today. All right, I hope you do your homework and enjoy coloring. Okay, I will see you in the next class. Until then, take care of yourself and be good.